everybody, hello, can you believe it? Twice in 2 days. This time though, I'm not doing the sewing journal. I'm going to show you some bits that I have sewn, mostly on my new Sir Duke, my new Dukey, and that are now up for sale on my in my coffee shop. So if you go across to there, it will be, the link for it will be down below. Have a look. It's my intention this time not to ship them with UPS, which I normally do. I'm very, very happy with UPS's delivery. They generally deliver in about 3 days, which I find staggering. But you pay for such things, don't you? So I've decided this time to use Royal Mail and USPS, which take longer, but not that long, 10 to 14 days, that sort of thing. Would you say, Mr. F?
I would say about that.
Yeah, so should you want to pay extra and want to have UPS, let me know when you purchase something and we'll sort all that out. But that's what I'm intending at the minute anyway. So let's get on and see what I've been up to. Well, this is the... Oh, can I say favourite? Shall I say favourite? You shouldn't pick your favourite, should you? Shouldn't have favourite children. But I just love this. It's a beautiful teal colour. It's a wee bit brighter than maybe than is on the screen. But it's got a pocket here, pocket on each side for a bottle of water or your phone or whatever you want. It's got a little flap on the top. Inside is lined with complementary fabric. Look at that fabric. Oh man, I love it. 2 pockets here for you to put whatever you fancy in. It's quite a big bag, and it shuts with a metallic magnetic. Obviously, if it's magnetic, it's metallic. And we've got these handles. Now on me, that fits nicely over my shoulder and tucks in just kind of beneath the armpit. It carries really well. I just love this bag. I love that fabric. So there we are. That's number 1. Number 2 is this bag. I also love this bag. I mean, I chose a colour, so it's ever likely I'm going to like them. It's also got a pocket on each side. It's got this big pocket in the front, big pocket in the back. The middle part shuts with a magnetic closure, and a pocket here divided so you can get different things in. So you can see this is quite a capacious bag. You've got all that in the middle. Then as you come out, you've got all of that. I mean, blimey, you could definitely get all your kids' stuff in that if you were going to watch them play baseball or whatever kids do, I don't know. So yeah, there we have it. It's pretty. It's just really, really pretty. So moving along the bus, we have number 3 is this. It's you can't see, can you? Yeah, you can there if I do that. It's clear, it's see-through, it's acrylic, and it zips, and you can put all sorts of things in, even your fingers if you want to look at them. But it's quite roomy. You get quite a bit in there. And I've used that lovely turquoise fabric. This is kind of the end of it now. It's final throws. This is Timmy fabric, Alchemy, and it's got that beautiful fabric on the back. I love this fabric. So that's that. Kind of handy, I think, for storing anything in. Yeah, like anything. I could go on about what you could store in it, but I guess you can imagine. Then next up, we've got a pair of pouches. Still got thread ends on them. That's the problem. Yeah, these two, they're lovely. Just plain straight up pouches, zipper on the top, lined inside. I'm not sure if this is lined in the same thing. Oh yeah, it is. Proper set, proper matching set. bright green zips, lined inside. This is a cotton duck fabric, so it's a bit thicker than just cotton. It's got piping on it. They're really useful. I mean, look at what you could get in there. I've got a tin here. Do you think it'll go in? Yeah. Shortbread fingers. Alas, there are not shortbread fingers in there. Oh, look at that. Just swallows that up. Swallows that up, and I've got loads of room left. Would that go in that one? No, not quite. No, I'd have to find something else, some other way of carrying my snacks. Anyway, there we have those. They stand up quite nicely. Like that. So, that's the pair, and I'm selling them as a pair. Next up, we have... Oh, the first of the boxy boxes. This one I think I made with you, actually, on a video, and it's this excuse me, really pretty little well, pale purple, but then we've got the darker purple and the magenta butterflies. Two little flaps here to hold on to while you unzip it, and as you unzip it you see that inside it's got a lovely pale lilac lining. Yeah, you watched me make it, so you know all about it. It's endless what you could keep in these. I'm going to stop suggesting things because, I don't know, maybe you want to keep your dog grooming accessories in it. I mean, who knows? It could be absolutely anything. I do think, however, that a little girl would love this. It's really... I just think about me as a little girl, and if somebody gave me this, oh man, I would have kept all manner of things in it. Secret. Next up, we've got a little Timmy crossbody. It's on an adjustable strap. It's just small. It's perfect for, I think, a bottle of water. I think you might get a bottle of water in there. What you definitely would get in there is your keys and your phone. It's on a plastic snap, and it's all... Oh, what did I line it with? Yeah, I lined it with brown heart fabric, but the external pieces, this, the strap, and this, of course, are the Timmy palette fabrics. Really, really nice, unobtrusive, easily carry it across body, and yeah, I mean, it's... Do you want to stand up? Yay! He stands up. So he's quite a sturdy little fella, but as I say, you'd easily carry your phone in it if you wanted to, or other things. Next up, we've got the birdie pouches. This is a set, same as the orange and green ones, but look at the fabric. I fussy cut this fabric. I didn't have much of it, but I fussy cut it in such a way as you'd get a blue tit on the front of each one. Anybody that's been watching me for some while will know that I absolutely love blue tits. And since we moved here, which is coming up to 2 years, can you believe? The guy next door, Jimmy, feeds all manner of wildlife. He really does. Feeds hedgehogs and every bird that you can imagine. And we've seen some lovely birds actually come into his feeders. But the most prolific of all are the blue tits. So I can't, and they perch on our garden fence until they go flying up to his feeders. So we see so many every day, and just gladdens my heart. But yeah, here we are, 2 pouches. They're nice and squidgy, and they're lined in the green, which is the same as the piping, so it picks out that piping. So there we are, 2 of those. I'm pretty sure I lined that in green as well. Let's just check. Yep. So there we have it. Very nice. Next we have this. This is lovely. This is a little Timmy bag made with the Curator fabric. I think he brought this out in the laboratory set that he brought out, And I mean, who doesn't amongst us love the actual paper, but the little bits of ephemera that are these? And he's put them all together and made a fabric. I mean, come on. It's just fabulous. So I made a bag. It's got a metal snap. That's not a plastic snap. It's a nice metal snap. Because Timmy deserves metal, doesn't he? And inside we've got it lined with the Timmy butterfly fabric. There's no pockets on the inside of that. It's not big enough. I don't think you'd lose anything in there. So that just snaps shut. It is adjustable. The thingy strap is adjustable. It's hooked on with 2 lobster claws onto a D-ring here. So, you know, there's a lot of, you can move it around any way you want. But that's it. It's gorgeous. I love it. Anywhere you go, anybody that was halfway interested in Timmy would say, oh, look at your bag. It's a Timmy bag. Well, they might say Tim, but we know him as Timmy, don't we? So, yeah, that's that one. And next, we've got this one. Now, this is the end of the beautiful turquoise fabric. It's just so bright and pretty, isn't it? Got a nice deep base on it. Stands up all on its onio. It's got a turquoise zip to match the turquoise of the bottom. I've done the piping on this one in that bright pink, and I've also lined it in the bright pink as well. So yeah, you get, it's quite deep, that one. You could lose your hand in it, look. Oh, that wouldn't be very convenient, would it? So yeah, zips up, stands up. What more can I say? Next we have a little boxy box. It's hard to see this one on the screen, but the gold there is metallic. Is it catching? Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it on that yellow one, I think. It's metallic. It's really, really nice. So this is a kind of smaller boxy box. Same idea as everything else. Opens up. You could open it up like that if you were using things out of it and just have it open. I mean, it's even for this, it's smaller. It's surprising, isn't it, how much room you've got in there? You could keep loads. I mean, maybe... I'm not suggesting things. I mean, it's just stupid. It's a box. You can keep in it whatever you fancy. So there we go. That's that fella. And next. This little one. I made this was the last little thing I made with you, I think. It's just a little pouch, and it stands up. Because of the way we finished it off, it actually stands up. It's really nice. I really love it. It's Timmy fabric again, lined with calico, because I thought it went best with this. Didn't want anything too fancy pants. It's quilted. It's just a really nice little thing. Nice little thing to have around. In your craft room, I would say. But, you know, hey ho, maybe you want it in your bathroom. I would want that anyway, because I really like it. Excuse me. And next up. Oh, more of our turquoise fabric. People tell me that you're supposed to zip from the left. Well, I'm left-handed and I want to unzip from the right. So I'm going to unzip from the right. So there we have it. It's very boxy, this one. It's lovely. And what have we got inside? Ooh, pink. Oh, I've lined it with pink. That's nice. That's very nice. It's quite sturdy, this one. So, yeah, I don't know what to say about it. It's lovely. I really like it. Maybe this fabric's a bit Marmitey. Maybe either love it or you really can't stand it. I absolutely love it. And because I love it so much, makes me think that there must be some people who really don't. That's usually the way of things. But there we have it, our little boxy box. in the turquoise floral. Next we have, oh look at this. It's a boxy box with blue tits. And there are other birds, yes, I'm aware of that, but you know, we've got blue tits on it, so why am I looking at the other birds? It's really nice. It's got strawberries on it, wild strawberries, and excuse me, it reminds me very much of Edith Holden. It's that kind of genre, isn't it? It's got birds' eggs, and it's just a very pretty cotton fabric. I don't know what I lined it in, so it'll be a surprise. Oh, I lined it in the basket weave. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Yeah, lovely. Nice job, Miss P. Thank you. So yeah, there we go, the birdie boxy box. And last up, got something that you can hardly see. You can if the light catches it. It's just a big acrylic pouch. I don't know what you call this. I could just call it acrylic. It's tough. It's fairly tough. Should you wish to change its shape, make it more boxy or whatever, I would recommend, maybe when you get it, it might have been folded. I'm going to try not to do that though. But the bottom might be folded in which case if you want it back to how it should be looking, just waft a hairdryer over it. Don't hold the hairdryer on it, you'll melt it and then you'll have nothing left. But certainly to get it to bend to your wishes, then I would say a hairdryer. In order for me to turn this the right way round, I had to use a hairdryer because I just couldn't get it to turn out at all. I've used on the top some of that beautiful Timmy fabric from the Abandoned collection. Still the best collection, I think. And that's a couple of inches from the top. So you can see it's just, look at that. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I mean, that's really useful if you're going through an airport where I believe nowadays they have to see all the liquids that you're taking with you. But you could think of a million uses for that. Anything that you want to see you've got in there. And that is that. So by the time you see these, they should be on my Ko-fi shop. I'm hoping so anyway. And thank you very much for looking. Here I am. Thank you very, very much for looking, and I'm sorry that I'm not actually showing you some physical how to do something, but this is what I've been doing, and I hope that some of you see something that you'd like. So thanks very much. I'll see you again really soon with the sewing journal. Yeah. So see you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.